Good morning, world. I thought it would be fun to do a like an English vlog because I vlogged for a little less than a year, I believe. Oh my god, I'm so out of breath just because of changing. And I hope my English is going to be better because I haven't spoken English in a very long time. I thought it would just be fun to show you guys what I do in a week for those who are interested. Cricket sounds. Anyways, I did my makeup really quick. I'm a little bit depressed, and I'll tell you why. Because I gained so much weight that I don't fit in my clothes, so I just look very basic. I love basic, but it's just not fun when I gained 6 kilos within 2 months. And that's, I think, because of hormonal imbalance, and also because of bad eating, and also because of the fact that I stopped with breastfeeding. And it's just a lot because I don't fit in almost any of my clothes except for this jean, which used to be a little bit baggy. Don't mind the mess. I actually wore a size 26 2 months ago. Now this is 28 and it's pretty tight right here. Anyways, I'm wearing, I believe this is from Naked Wardrobe. It's a bodysuit, and then this is from Girlfriend, and then Nikes, and then my Chanel bag and my banana. This blazer from Sandro. This is my absolute favorite scent. It smells just really freaking good. It's this one. Screenshots. A lot of people think it's kind of like the same as Baccarat Rouge, but I actually prefer this one. I'm so out of breath. I just realized I didn't even tell you guys where I'm going. So I'm going to AVIATOR, which is very close to Amsterdam, which is like an hour drive. I'm 15 minutes late though, not happy about that. Tattoo artist is actually an old colleague of mine, and I haven't seen her, I think, in 6 years maybe. So I'm excited to see her. Obviously we follow each other on Instagram, and it's really funny because we were kind of like indirect colleagues. So we worked in a warehouse comparable to like Selfridges. I worked at Armani as a face designer. She worked at Givenchy, and our counters were really close to each other. So, and we actually hated our job so much, but you know, we just needed, well, I hated my job partially, and then I'm not sure about her, but she didn't really look happy in the mornings as well. I will say this though, she is one of the most beautiful girls I've ever seen. She is so beautiful and so sweet. She's covered in tattoos, like covered, and then she's like, when she talks, she's like, she looks like a bad bitch, you know, and she is one, but she's so gentle and sweet and so girly in a way, which is funny. But we always talked so much, and because we were so bored with our job, and then this girl came. She was the floor manager. I swear she was like Aunt Lydia from Handmaid's Tale, and she was like, girls, no, you want to catch up from the weekend, but now no more talking, okay? I arrived at the office, and look what her husband made. Sick. This is the lotus that I actually saw on Pinterest, super original. And then here we have a Japanese symbol, which means spirit energy. I obviously checked this, and this is supposed to be correct, or otherwise I wouldn't do it. Okay, first one is this Japanese small tattoo. Hello there, you stunning people. Today is Thursday. It's almost 9:30. I'm running a little bit late, but I'm going to the hairdresser finally. I feel like it's time for a change, and I'm not sure if I'm going to regret it. I'm not sure if I'm going to go back and go blonde again. Not really feeling the blonde anymore. And also yesterday was a hair wash day, so that's why my hair looks absolutely. Do you wonder how the Netherlands look like? This is basically a good sum up. Who is this? I have to get used to it because it was actually not this dark, but she showed me a, you know, like a slightly lighter color, But then she was like, you know, after washing it for a few times, it's going to be lighter anyway. It will lighten up eventually after washing it a couple of times. But yeah, I have to get used to it, but I do love it. I'm at the office right now because I had to get something done, and then I'm not even sure if you guys have seen my office. If you haven't watched my Dutch vlogs, obviously if you're from abroad. But I'll show you what it looks like. Fully clean it because I still have some brushes over there that I have to clean. It's not focusing for some reason. Yeah. So I need to clean my brushes. This is my YouTube area. And it looks pretty okay, but I have to clean this right here. So yeah, this is basically YouTube. My shoes are over there, some accessories, and then I have this huge curtain that I can actually fully close, so it looks a little bit more neat. My husband actually made this wall, so proud of him. Clothes that I have to film. And then this mirror, which is my fave. I'm really lucky that I don't have to look at buildings and stuff, so I love this greenery. And then, yeah, this is kind of like my TikTok, Instagram area. This doesn't belong here, so yeah. You know, sometimes when you are somewhere and you immediately feel like when the energy is off, you know what I mean? Like you either feel good or you're like, it's dark and it's closed, and for some reason, like when I'm at my office, I just feel very calm. Like I'm so excited to create stuff. I get inspired, and I love that I have a place. I'm so grateful that I have a place where I get to calm down, but at the same time, I feel like I'm fired up with so many great ideas. I just feel so much more ambitious when I'm here. At home, I'm just like a full-time mom. And we actually checked for houses because we really want to move. And this is actually the city. It's a super small town that in which I grew up. And I feel like it's time. It was already time, like 5 years ago, to leave. Right now, it's so expensive. Not so much the houses, but the monthly mortgage that you have to pay. It's just beyond. So I guess I have to wait for hopefully, I don't know, like next year maybe. But you know, we'll see how that goes. Going home to Roman and to my husband. Usually this is how my house looks like. Okay, so Roman is asleep, my husband is at home. He just came from the movies, and I'm actually going to laminate my brows. I'm going to use this kit that I've ordered yesterday. It's called Clavier or something. Lash Ion. I don't know. It's actually an eyelash perming kit, but I believe you can use it for your brows too. So I'm going to try this, and then I will tell you guys if I think it's worth it or not. Okay, so obviously I need to do my brows, but it does work. As you can see, it's not focusing, pretty lifted. Hey guys, so I have to whisper because Roman is asleep and he has not been sleeping for almost for the past 2 or 3 days. He just skips his afternoon sleep, and then he usually wakes up around 5:30. So he woke up today at 5:30, and I just felt so exhausted. So at 7 o'clock, I told my husband, like, you need to, like, I am constantly falling asleep, so you need to be with him so I can sleep. Then I slept for I think 2 hours, and I had the weirdest dream ever in my life. I've always had like weird dreams, sometimes very what's the English word, predictive dreams. Sometimes dreams were like almost like visions, and then it would like happen later in life, or like messages. This was like a past life dream which I never had before, and it was so overwhelming. Like I literally woke up with a very, very heavy feeling. I felt so emotional. I still do. Like it's a feeling I can't get rid of. Like it's still here, you know what I mean? It was weird. Anyway, so I have to do my skincare, and then I need to go to the office. And I'm sorry, this vlog's literally everywhere. Like I don't even know which days I vlogged. But welcome to my life. I don't want to do my skincare in the bathroom because I dropped my skincare product so many times and he woke up. So it's I actually double cleansed, and I'm going to use this Paula's Choice exfoliant. I'm going to put that on my face. Usually I do this with like 2 hands. You can also use this on a cotton pad first. Oh my god, make sure to not get this in your eyes. But you can use it on a cotton pad first, but I prefer my hands for some reason. So it's a very mild exfoliant, which I love. I use this every other day and I can immediately notice it when I don't use it. Like my skin doesn't look, I don't know, like it looks dull. So next step is this glow toner from Charlotte Tilbury. I have been using this for the past 3 days and my makeup looked so freaking good yesterday. Like I looked really glowing and it looked really nice. So I'm not sure if it's the toner, but it smells really nice as well. And I have to say, these are the products that I am using now. It doesn't mean that these are like my holy grail products, because I've been, you know, I get so much skincare that I want to try everything. And sometimes there is like a holy grail, and sometimes it's just me trying out new products and, you know, liking them. You know what I mean? It's not like, oh my god, I've been using these for years and you need to have them. Next, I'm going to use this eye cream from Charlotte Tilbury. It's a lot of Charlotte Tilbury collection now, but I just wanted to try this out, and honestly it feels so amazing. Oh, this feels so nice. I'm also getting more and more obsessed with Korean skincare. Like, it's so good. I do have a Korean skincare product right now, which is absolutely amazing. So this was in my drawer like the whole time I'm in the office, and I didn't know what it was until it caught my attention, and I just read that you need to use this before applying your serum. After toner, apply an adequate amount all over the face, lightly pat to help the absorption. And this is the Birch Drop Vegan Ampoule, and I saw this on Amazon. They had really good reviews, but it is so amazing. It contains hyaluronic acid, and you can just feel that it's so hydrating. I know some people are like, it's doing too much, you cannot exfoliate every day, just use a serum and a moisturizer. I know, and I get that, but for some reason my skin always looks best when I have like this 9-step skincare routine, or like 6-step skincare routine. You know what I mean? Like, I love these products. I love this. Just feels like a burst of water into my skin. I can just feel it going into my skin, and it feels so relieving if you have dehydrated skin. Almost everyone has dehydrated skin. And then I also have the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream, but I love using this one as well. This is the Image Vital C moisturizer. I love their vitamin C serum as well. It's amazing if you have like dull skin, or I don't know, if your skin color is similar to mine. It's really nice. Vitamin C is nice for everyone, but I can really see a difference when I'm not using it. But I love this moisturizer. I always get comments when I do my skincare like, you're not using SPF. I don't. I'm not a dermatologist. I know nothing about skincare, okay? So, well, I do know a few things, but take it with a grain of salt. This is just my skincare routine. I don't use SPF for a few reasons, actually. I've never been a huge fan of SPF because I don't think the sun is damaging for us. Do I think it's damaging when you are laying in the sun for hours and hours and you get burned? 100% yes. I would never do that. And if I would do that, like if I would be in the sun all day, I would wear SPF. Applying a huge amounts of SPF on the face, like every hour, I personally don't. It's just not for me. Maybe I will regret it in 20 years, maybe not. But I always go with my gut, and I don't think that the sun is damaging for us at all, and especially not with this weather. I just love to go out in the sun and just let my skin absorb, sunshine, and yeah, it's just good for the soul, I think, and I don't want to block that out. That's just basically my view on SPF, and if you find it BS, that's perfectly fine as well. You should do whatever makes you feel good, and this makes me feel good, so voila, this is the skin. Husband made me a flat white. Honestly, we have the best coffee at home. Like, it's so good, and it was we have been searching for the best coffee beans and the best machine, the best milk, stuff like that. And I can truly say that wherever I am, I was at a shop in Amsterdam and there was this huge, like, long ass queue, and I was like, oh, this has to be so good. And then I went there and I was just like, yeah, it's good, but it's not like, you know, I like our coffee at home better. Didn't really like it. Then I went to another cafe in Amsterdam, which is called Cafecito, which I really love, usually. Still love it. I came home and I said to my husband, we literally have the best coffee at home, and it is, I'm not sure if it's sold everywhere, but it's an Italian brand and it's called Piazza d'Oro, if I pronounce that right, Piazza d'Oro. And then it's the green version, like it's a black packaging with like a green label to it, because they have different colors, but it's the green one. It's just the best. And then we have this DeLonghi machine, which is called Prima Donna Soul, also Italian. And then just like oat milk, barista oat milk, and then the Piazza d'Oro coffee, like thank me later. It's literally the freaking best. I'm going to quickly do some work, and then we'll go, and then I'm also going to show you guys a naked haul because I chose some really nice items. Obviously I have a discount code. Here is my naked haul. This is the jeans I chose. I actually wore this 2 days ago. They're very comfortable. I love these pockets on the sides, and then I really like this blue. I feel like now that my hair is darker, I can wear so many colors, and I would never really wear blue, but I love this chill outfit. Love this comfortable outfit, and I will also mention the sizes that I'm wearing for reference. I love this suit so much. It's giving Hailey Bieber. Usually I would never wear a color like this because I wouldn't think it will look good with my hair color, which is weird because obviously blonde girls can wear this as well. But I feel like, I don't know, with darker hair it suits me a little bit better. I love this outfit. I would keep it super minimalistic, just some sneakers and a nice bag, and then you're good to go. Next outfit is this fake leather blazer, which I really love. I actually already had one, but it was a bit too small, so it didn't really look oversized. But I think this came in another color as well. But I just really love this one because it looks very simple. I really love the fit of this top, and I love the black little, I don't know, details right here. I also really love the sweater. It's like perfect for winter, and I really love the details on the shoulders. I hope this jacket is still available. It's so extremely soft from the inside. I love the sleeves, and yeah, I just really love this one, but I'm afraid that it will be sold out, or it's already sold out, like super quick. And I'm wearing size 38. This might be my favorite as well. I believe this is the Rihanna Meyer collection. I wore this 2 days ago, so don't mind the stains. I needed to put this in the washing machine, I forgot it, but the stains is all on. But this is actually such a beautiful, very, very soft material. Nice loungewear when you are at home, but also just put a blazer on top and you're good to go. Like, it looks very put together, and this might be my favorite. And it also comes in brown, I believe, but I thought this color would suit me better. The batteries on my vlog camera just died. I quickly wanted to show you guys this amazing little black dress. Ah, it's so nice. I have this high neck situation, and I just love it so much. It has an open back. This is the back, and you can just wear nipple covers or something like that. I also want to thank you guys so much for watching. It's a bit of a messy video, I'm aware of that. Anyways, I hope you still like it, and if you do, then maybe I can do this more often, hopefully in like a logic order. Thank you guys so much for watching, and hopefully I'll see you in my next one. Bye.